500 people walking the trail every week now, so it does get used a lot.
Dr. Thomas Walker is talking about the Ridges Nature Trails, built by him and other members of National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI. The trails connect 3 mental health cemeteries. Beta Fish magazine sought to learn about the trail's history and ecology.
The most important thing about the nature walk is that it shows the regeneration of forest. The forests in Ohio and all the way east weren't here 80 years ago. This was all a moonscape. You haven't heard that, but it's true. People from Natural Resources and from the university talked about the stages of reforestation, and there are several stages. You have the first growth, and then the secondary growth, and then canopy growth. And we don't yet have much canopy growth, but the canopy is beginning to form.
Humans were not involved in the trail's reforestation.
Oh, there's no planting. Reforestation in the whole eastern United States is natural. There is some, where they'll go in and plant pine trees for telephone poles and stuff like that, but the reforestation, most of the reforestation just comes from the seeds that are brought in naturally.
How does this natural process occur? Walker tells how a tree not native to the trails, known as the hollyhock, became abundant around the nature trails.
Basically what happened is birds came over to the Ridges buildings, and there were hollyhocks there, and they ate the berries, and they flew over and pooped the seeds out on that land.
Many other trees, such as pawpaws and black walnuts, are also highly populous around the trails. These trees are often marked by signs, such as one sign by an area densely populated by black walnuts that explains why there are so many of one kind of tree in one area.
Nature trail. Walnuts are allelopathic, that is, they send out a chemical which prevents other trees, other vegetable growth from growing there.
Walker talked about the trail's wildlife, such as the bobcat.
Oodles of bobcats, not the student type, but the furry type. You don't see them because they're very timid, but you can't avoid seeing their tracks after a snowstorm. They're one golf ball shaped track right in front of the other.
The process of reforestation is steady, and the nature trails allow Athens residents to witness it. For Beta Fish magazine, this is Ryan Powers.